So next concept is a projection of block on smooth inclined plane. And a projection. And a projection of a block on smooth inclined plane. Last concept is what? Block is sliding down. Now body moving up. It is inclined plane. Angle of inclination is theta. Here a body projected up with velocity. A body projected up with velocity from bottom of the plane. And after traveling distance L, its final velocity becomes 0. It is moving against gravity. Okay. H of the height is height of the inclined plane. A body projected up with velocity on reaching top of the plane, its velocity becomes 0. Now length of the plane is what? L. Height of the plane is h. Okay. So now, actually, when body moving down, mg sin theta is here also. Mg sin theta is mg sin theta. On this board, what are forces? mg cos, mg sin. Normal reaction balances mg cos. It is unbalanced force. Okay. When body is moving up, so this force is not support the motion. This force is opposes the motion. When body is moving up, this mg sin theta is not supports. It opposes the motion. So force on this block along the plane is minus mg sin theta, because here mg sin theta is not support the motion. It is opposes the motion. So here mass into acceleration is equal to m into g into sin theta. Here both mm cancel. Therefore acceleration is equal to minus g sin theta. Then when body moving down, acceleration is plus g sin theta. Whenever body moving up, acceleration is what? It is not acceleration, it is retardation. That is a is equal to minus g sin theta. Now from equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. After it goes to top, its final velocity 0. 0 square minus initial velocity u square is equal to 2 into what is the retardation? Minus g sin theta into L. Minus cancel. Therefore u is equal to under root of 2g sin theta into L. So this is the velocity of projection at the bottom of the plane. Velocity of projection at bottom is v is equal to under root of 2g sin theta by 2g sin theta into L. Actually here, what is the time of ascent? Time of ascent, TA. The time taken by the block to move down the plane is called time of descent. Just opposite. Time taken by the block to move up the plane is called time of ascent. Okay. To calculate time of ascent, apply v is equal to u plus at. And in this journey, what is the final velocity? 0. Initial velocity u. Acceleration, it is not acceleration. While moving up, it is called negative acceleration or retardation. It is called retardation or negative acceleration. It is minus g sin theta. Time taken to go up the plane is called time of ascent. Therefore, it is minus u is equal to minus g sin theta into time of ascent. Minus cancel. Therefore, time of ascent is equal to u by g sin theta. Now, what is initial velocity u? Substitute there. Now, time of ascent is equal to under root of 2g sin theta into L by g sin theta. G sin theta I am writing under root of g square into sin square theta. Okay, take whole root. This is g square into sin square theta. Okay, boss. If g sin theta goes to under root, you got g square into sin square. One sin cancel, one g cancel. Then what is time of ascent? Time of ascent is under root of 2l by so g into sin theta. Okay. So here we got time of ascent formula, Ta is equal to under root of 2L by G sin theta. What is time of descent formula? Time of descent formula same, under root of 2L by G sin theta. The time taken to go down the plane, time taken to go up the plane is same. Okay, same formula. Therefore, time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Therefore, time of ascent is equal to time of descent on smooth inclined plane. On smooth, okay, on smooth inclined plane is time taken to go up the plane, time taken to go down the plane. Both formulas are same. Therefore, time of ascent is equal to time of descent.